Good morning, friends. Our today's topic is 4 categories of daily life. Daily life, how we are spending, it's very much important because time is the one and only thing what we cannot buy. So once it's lost, it's lost. So we have to utilize the time properly. So let's see the 4 categories of daily life. One is urgent and important. Second is urgent but not important. Third one is not urgent but important. And fourth one is not urgent and not important. So let's see the categories. First one, urgent and important. There are so many things which are very much urgent and very much important. For example, tomorrow you have an examination and you have to attend it. So exams are very much important and you have to reach there on time and you have to study well and you have to answer it properly. So exams and any important calls, phone calls, or someone is hospitalized, casualty cases, those all things are very much urgent. It is under urgent and important. Another one is urgent but not important. Urgent but not important, I'll tell you a small example. Your friend's marriage. Friend's marriage is, so suppose your friend's marriage is today evening 7:30. So marriage is urgent thing because it normally it happens once in lifetime and it's a big event in their life. So it's an urgent thing, but for you it is not important because it's friend's marriage. If it's up to you to go or not, but if you are not going also, it will not affect a big issue in your life. Okay, so I'm not telling a friend's marriage is not important, but I'm telling that if you are going or not going, it will not make that much impact. So urgent but not important. Another one is not urgent but important. This is the main category. Urgent, not urgent but important, not urgent but important. So doing exercise daily, it is not urgent but it's very much important for your life and for your future life. Good diet, it is very much important for to stay away from diseases like cholesterol, sugar, pressure, all those. And not urgent, important, you have to reading books, acquiring knowledge, fighting for your dreams, and daily preparing for to achieve your dreams. All those things are very much important but not urgent. It will become urgent when you are hospitalized because of any diseases, sugar, cholesterol, pressure, heart diseases. Then it will become urgent because without that, and normally people are such type of people are going for exercise and all when they realize that cholesterol is very high at that time. So do it now itself, and it is not urgent now, but it may urgent when you are under the big diseases. So do it now. It is important but not urgent. So this category we have to concentrate well. And another category is not urgent and not important. This is the category where most of us are spending time. Not urgent, not important. In social media, WhatsApp, chatting, Facebook, these all things are not urgent, not important also, but we are spending time, most of the time wasting time. So this will not help for our dream. It may not help for our future goals, all those things. So what I am trying to tell that all the big achievers and successful people in their life, they are concentrating on not urgent but important category. So stay away from all those social medias all those watching TV serials and all those time passing things, and concentrate on this category, not urgent but important. This is today's topic. See you next time with another topic. Thank you.